Why is statutory interpretation important? Have you ever wondered how laws are applied in real life? Statutory interpretation plays a vital role in this process. It is how courts figure out what laws mean and how they should be used. Since laws created by legislatures are a big part of our legal system, understanding this process is essential for anyone studying law. In law school, students quickly learn that the language in statutes can often be unclear or vague. This ambiguity can lead to confusion about how the law applies to specific situations. Judges are responsible for resolving these uncertainties to ensure that everyone understands their rights and responsibilities under the law. This task is known as statutory construction. There are several reasons why statutory interpretation is so important. First, it helps clarify ambiguities. Statutes may use broad language that needs interpretation to apply to particular facts. Without this process, laws could be misunderstood or applied inconsistently. Second, courts aim to follow the intent of the legislature. This means they try to enforce laws as lawmakers intended, rather than imposing their own views. This respect for legislative intent is crucial for maintaining the rule of law. Third, statutory interpretation ensures that laws are applied consistently across different cases and jurisdictions. This uniformity promotes fairness and predictability, which are essential for a functioning legal system. Fourth, statutes may not cover new or unexpected situations. Interpretation allows courts to adapt the law to these circumstances while staying true to the statute's purpose. In law school, students study various methods of statutory interpretation. One approach is textualism, which focuses on the ordinary meaning of the words in the statute. Another is intentionalism, which looks at the legislature's intent through documents like legislative history. Purposivism considers the broader goals behind the law. Students also learn about interpretive aids, such as canons of construction. These are established rules that guide how to read statutes. Courts also consider the context of the statute and how it has been applied in the past. Understanding statutory interpretation is fundamental for law students. Statutes are involved in nearly every area of law, so mastering this skill is essential for analyzing legal issues and drafting effective arguments. It also prepares students for the challenges of legal research and writing, as well as understanding how judges make decisions that shape the law. Statutory interpretation bridges the gap between written laws and their practical application. It ensures that statutes serve their intended purpose within the legal system. For law students, it is a foundational topic that supports their academic growth and future careers in law.